Hello everyone, this is Chadi Alraies coming to you from New York EVS. I'm really privileged to be with Dr. Moussa Nassif, who's coming from Egypt as an interventional cardiologist. Dr. Nassif, thank you for being with us. Tell us about your experience so far. I hear this is the first time coming for the Endovascular course in New York.
Hi Shadi, first of all I would like to thank you for interviewing me today, and it's a very nice meeting so far, very interesting cases, and I learned a lot from this meeting, definitely.
That's great. So tell us about what does make this meeting different compared to the other venues?
Actually, what makes it different is the experience. The experience is totally different than practicing endovascular intervention back home in Cairo. And I learned a lot from this place and from Dr. Krishnan and from Dr. Saman Sharma, definitely. They are very good operators, and actually I talked to them, and maybe we'll have cooperation between the team here and the team back in Cairo, and we'll start to have more activities together, definitely.
That's a good idea, yeah, absolutely. Have you been to the live cases or the hands-on sessions?
Yeah, definitely. We had a lot of cases yesterday, like cadavers, and the techniques here are way different than back home. But we're learning, and definitely we're getting better every day.
Absolutely. Okay. Well, thank you for coming to this meeting this year. Hopefully, we'll see you next year.
You're welcome, Shadi.
And hopefully, you can bring more of your colleagues down here.
Thank you so much. Definitely, we'll bring more.
To share, as you said, collaborate and share ideas and learn from each other.
Sure.
Thank you for watching us. This is Chadi Alraies coming to you from New York EVS in 2024. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Habibi.